So the first rule about communication is derived from this ayah of the Quran. And this is told by all professional gurus, this communication skill. That is straight talk. O you who believe, fear Allah and speak words of appropriate justice. Qulu qawlan sadida. Words of appropriate justice. It's such a comprehensive word, appropriate justice. What do you think? What's meant by straight talk? Does it mean being very straightforward? If I don't like you, should I tell you I don't like you? If I don't like something, should I say I don't like something? What is meant by appropriate justice? Words of appropriate justice. Beautiful. So comprehensive. It includes three things basically. Number one is it should be clear. Your communication should be very clear. One should know what you are trying to say. तमहीद बांधना, बात को खींचना, बात को लंबा करना. Some people struggle at saying no. Do you struggle at saying no? When someone says to you, okay, do this favor to me, you can't do it. But you struggle to say no. You can't be clear. You commit. You say, okay, I'll do it. But then you think, कि यार ये मैंने क्या जिम्मेदारी ले ली. So many of us struggle to say no in our lives. So by being clear, it means you should be very clear that no, I can't do it. I can't commit. There are many loopholes in our communication. Just like this pipe is leaking, you know. Our words and sentences have so much loopholes that many misconceptions can arise. I'll give you some example. हम बात करते करते कहते हैं ना कि आपके बारे में जी फलाने बंदे ने बड़ी बातें की हैं और बहुत से लोग आपके बारे में बहुत सी बातें कर रहे हैं. Now this is not clear talk. First and foremost, आपने कहा जी कि आपके बारे में बहुत से लोग. What is meant by बहुत से लोग? कितने लोग थे? 2, 3, 4, 5. How many people? बहुत सी बातें. What is meant by बहुत सी बातें? Right? Are you getting me? This is a vague sentence having many loopholes. It will arise many confusions. अब आपका कोई दुश्मन है, you have grudge over someone, सबसे पहले वो माइंड में आएगा कि अच्छा वो ही कर रहा होगा. Right? Then you know when it comes to committing things. I ask you जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम किधर हैं? फ़ोन पे बात हो रही है. जी मैं बस इधर हूँ, आ रहा हूँ, 15 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ. Or you come after 45 minutes or an hour. Again you are not being clear. Believe me, if you tell the other person कि I am exactly at here, I will be coming in 10 minutes. And in 10 minutes you come. Imagine the impact that this person fulfills commitment. और commitment पूरी करने वालों की बहुत कमी है. Second thing, it should be clear. It should be truthful. Many of us, we are afraid to speak the truth. That's the foremost thing. You should be very truthful. Whatever they ask you in the interview, just be truthful. Don't exaggerate. Are you not confident about yourself? Are you there to, exaggerate things, or are you there to tell them your skill set? Now, whatever skill set you have, just say it truthfully. Don't write exaggerated things on the CV. And the third thing is that it should be just, because words of appropriate justice means a lot. Many of us, we don't do just analysis while criticizing others. आपसे कोई किसी का opinion पूछे, आप कहें कि नहीं जी वो तो ऐसा ही है. No, this is not a just opinion. That guy must have some qualities, right? Apart from all the faults or flaws, he must have some qualities, he or she. So be just while analyzing things. हम ऐसे words use करते हैं अपनी communication में कि miscommunication इतनी arise होती है और misconceptions arise होते हैं. For example, recently I was talking to this person and he said to me कि हमारी organization की एक बंदा टांगे खींच रहा है. I said, are you sure कि he is doing leg pulling? टांगे खींच रहा है. Do you even know the meaning of leg pulling? I said, how is he doing that? So he said to me कि he is trying to discourage us. He is telling us that your vision is not correct. You should make a broader vision. I said, that's not leg pulling, is it? That's just critical analysis. He is just trying to remind us that, maybe you should make some other vision, some broader vision, which will benefit the society as well. That's not leg pulling. that's not a just analysis of words or situations, right? So analyze your communication, what you are trying to say. अब मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं कि जब हम बैठे होते हैं आंटियों की तरह चुगली कर रहे होते हैं तो उसमें हम किस तरह के अनजस्ट वर्ड्स बोलते हैं दूसरों के बारे में, कितना गलत एनालिसिस करते हैं टीचर्स का, प्रोफेसर्स का. वी डोंट सी एनी गुड इन देम. व्हेन वी कम टू sabotaging them or critically analyzing them, we just say उसका ये भी गलत है, उसका ये भी गलत है, वो ऐसे करता है, वो वैसे करता है. That's not just. When you will be just, people will trust you. They'll seek your opinion. If you exaggerate, they'll not seek your opinion. When you work in a company as a team player, your boss is going to look at you that this person analyzes it very well. इसका just analysis होता है, इंसाफ पसंद है. He'll give a balanced opinion. So make this your habit, this communication skill. Truthful, just, and it should be very clear. And that we get from the Quran.